是不是那么说公干上，他的这个事情呢，朋友，他是那边专门老师呢，数据学呗，那就应该学呗，来真的嘞。俺呢听听来真从就没经历，天天呢俺做 Edinburgh 嘅重庆那路嘅重庆里啊来就有，俺呢重庆里啊来讲俺做重庆地心里呢，俺呢可能做他个山内他个，俺呢就这看见的蒙古去，同样都地那路嘅可能做的啊山内上嘅，俺呢看的罗这定这去打呢，那个可能呢，俺呢这个呀罗这打就。地小里啊，我们这个下路是透过的，地那可能是 Edinburgh 的地里下，开局呗下不到，你水军个下路开全部下的下，俺家长现在就几十年的。肯定学过来，把这的单吧，那培训也是嘛，我的人不修就过时了下，可能就别的单嘛学的话，你的开就修不多了，我当初可能给但南山的部队去下，这3年他给南山开就这里下，修不着不又不看起来呀，我呢呀，无所谓不去去修多啊，俺把这的可能就 mix 给开就呗，把这的下。那是俺特地俺是可能你哩啊，谈的忙住就这个谈的热气地过里呢，但俺可能个特别个小地过里啊，跟着自己开始学有，一定俺那做你不用个去练头那种。So thanks very much for agreeing to talk to us. First of all, I'd like to ask you, what is this music instrument called?
It's the Highland bagpipe.
Highland bagpipe.
So there's many different bagpipes around the world.
Right.
The Scottish one is probably the most famous one that most people know.
And how long has it been in existence? So say how many? I mean,
bagpipes have been in existence for thousands of years even.
Right.
But the Scottish one, probably 1500s, 1400s, something like that.
Right. And is this musical instrument played every day or only on special occasions?
Well, I play it every day.
You play
so
it every day.
It's a big part of my life, yeah.
Oh, it's like playing the guitar.
Oh yeah,
in a way.
Definitely.
Oh right, okay, right.
So,
and also, if I could ask you, this dancing, I know the performance goes with this. Is it a very hard job?
It is. It takes years of training to master.
Right.
But it's called Highland dancing, so it's to dance to Highland bagpipes.
Okay. First of all, what's your name?
My name is Super Scott.
Okay, Super Scott. Oh, okay, that's your real name.
That's my show name, yes.
Okay, can you tell me about this show that you do?
I'm a juggler and I escape from a straitjacket and chains.
Right. And how long have you been doing this for?
Since I was 11 years old.
And is street entertainer a big part of Scottish culture, if I may say that?
Not really culture as such, but we have a big fringe festival in August. And there's a lot more street performers here then, but there's regular performers that perform here on a regular basis.
Oh, okay. And how do you feel by sort of when it kind of the day is ended? You must feel very tired and exhausted, or is it okay?
she's probably tired.
Yeah.
I'm okay actually. I can play forever.
Okay, and what about you? Do you feel very tired at the end of the day?
I do, but it's just fitness, so just like an athlete, I need to practice, and the more I practice, the less tiring it is. So.
Right. 那是不是那么说？特定按照的历史的那老可能个，他的忙处个，或者的那当家那可能人家个那老讲是轻松松个，安尼的当下天里那可能哩啊，那武当下的这个哩啊，安尼江大蒙古切过的松个，可能我呢吃香那按照边吃香那的或者吉他当不得吉不的松个，这张可能个朝鲜那路个开心比如这参与松个，那是是不是那么说？按特定个按照历史他个就这松，到这去按什么历史那解决不就？到这。Thank you so much. Thank you so much.